Hello everyone. Today we're going to be showing you some of the differences in a new ResCarta-Web that came out with version 7. And you can see that you've got version 7 by going down to the bottom of your website and checking version number down there. Okay. You know, we've always supported many kinds of collections, documents, books, that type of thing, audio, video now. And on large photographs, there's never been a problem. Large photographs that may have been a problem for some other systems. ResCarta has always supported the ability to do large arrays of photographs. This particular photograph is 354 meg. We can zoom in, we can pan around, zoom back, slide. So again, we're doing this with tiled full resolution TIFF imagery. Now, we've always had also an API, a programming language, where you could do this from another application. But because we're a standards-based product, what we've done is now integrated IIIF, which is the International Image Interoperability Framework, IIIF. And you can find that at IIIF.io is their webpage. Anyway, it's a defined API, and it's a standard that other image systems have adopted. And one of the viewers for IIIF is called Mirador, and this is again open source, web-based. It's a full-featured IIIF API viewer. So we've got the ResCarta viewer in ResCarta-Web, and we're also shipping a implementation of the Mirador viewer along with it. Now, what does that do for you? Okay. If we're going to go into a ResCarta-Web collection here, we can also go to ResCarta-Web Mirador. And you'll see that this is the same. It's reading the collection level metadata directly out of the ResCarta collection. So we have the same list of collections that we had when you were viewing it through the ResCarta viewer. If we go to large photos here, we get, of course, the same two photographs that we have on our demonstration site, the 354 meg image. And click that. And we can, again, zoom up. So you don't see a lot of difference or improvement here over the ResCarta viewer. But the ResCarta viewer is designed primarily as an archive to go and look at the particular object that you're going for. What happens here with Mirador in IIIF is that you have the ability to do some other things that you can't do with our standard ResCarta viewer. So over here we can add slots, which means a viewing slot either above or below. In his case, I'll grab one below. So we've added another viewing slot. And I can go get that same photograph and pull this so that now we can be zooming in here on the left side of the image. And then I can go grab another portion up here from the middle or the right side of the image and view that. And then I can compare what's on one side to the other. There's other viewing, so I can do them independently. I can zoom in and zoom out and pan differently. We can change the layouts from 1x1, 2x2s, 4x4s, so you can have a lot of different images up or a lot of different areas of the same image. So in this case, we can look at houses in this large panorama and go back and get another shot of it and go get a different home. A building here, different structure. You can compare roofs, see who was doing what. So you get the idea that one of the features you can do with Mirador is open a single image in multiple views so that you compare portions of it, especially something like this where you have a panorama and it's very large. You can close them down. Now, also, we can also get, single images. Doesn't really make that much difference. I mean, a single image view is not much different than what you get from ResCarta. But one of the things that we've also been asked to do over the years is, when we're doing city directories or books with lots of pagination, having the ability to go and get a book view and compare that with another book view. So here we can scroll down through the same. Here we grab a Hannibal city directory. We open this page. We can scroll through it by going page next. You've got thumbnails down here where you can click on thumbnails and pick an image. You can again do exactly what we were doing with this with the single photograph. But what we can do here is we can pull a page and then pick a slot to the right here, and then we can add another page from either the same city directory or a different city directory, and we can compare pages side by side. So this does not have to be completely from a single collection. It can be from different collections. You can go into your ResCarta-Web and pull up something like here's a book or a program from a unit. It also has thumbnails. You can turn the thumbnails off by clicking this icon. We can go into book view, which is one of the things that people are asking us for. So it's the cover. Now you're getting a two up side by side view of the book. So again, it's using the ResCarta archive, and with IIIF integration and using the Mirador Viewer, you can do the things that maybe we didn't satisfy you with a viewer in ResCarta. So that's one of the things that we tried to do is incorporate open products, standardization, and what that'll do is give you a way to view your existing archives under different conditions.